Big dog status, Bill Hubble. A ball in his mouth for my brothers. Go your bag, told the.
What is up, YouTube? It's your boy 360J, and we are back with another fire video. So in today's video, your boy. So if y'all were on my Instagram, I had got some packages that I was getting delivered to my humble abode, and some of y'all guessed it right, some of y'all guessed it terribly wrong. But leave in the comments down below what y'all think that I got for the car. So I'll tell you right now, it's nothing performance. It's all electronic. So let's see. Comment down below. Did you comment? Go bumbleclad comments upon their ass comment section. You understand?
The bumbleclad wrong with the idiot boy there.
Well, if you said Insta360, that is what I got, bro. So I got an Insta360 with the car mount setup as well. So y'all know what that means. Tonight we are gonna get a nighttime POV with the Insta360 of the flames. So I did get the X3. There really was no difference between like the X4. Leave in a comment down below if there's a difference, but I got one, man. So I'm super excited for this. So we can finally get some nighttime POVs of the flames and all that. And this will be a lot easier because sometimes I be wanting like rollers of the flames to see how big they are. So that is what we are going to be doing in today's video. But if you are new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We are on the road to 2,500 subscribers, man. I appreciate y'all so much. But I'm going to get this Insta360 all set up and the camera mount all set up. So I'm going to pick up the camera once I get all that on the car. All right, y'all. So we got the whole thing set up. Got the Insta right there. This is the camera setup that I got. This is the photo leader one, I think that's how you call it. So yeah. But I'm super excited to catch some of the flames on the car, but I'm gonna test it out to kind of get used to like how edit with it and stuff like that too. But let's throw the advanced burbles on the car. All right, y'all know, edit that video. Let that start. Woo! Hell yeah. All right, so the sun is starting to go down, which is perfect, which is exactly what I needed. So like I said, this is gonna be more so like a test try of like getting used to the Insta360. So bear with me if it's not as good, but I'm definitely gonna like practice on this camera a little bit and try to get like some clean clips of the flames and all that. It doesn't seem that hard. I mean, you kind of just like with the 360 mode, you put it on there and you kind of like move the screen around as it goes to like move the screen around to like where you want it to be at. So it doesn't seem too bad, but I'm going to put y'all on the Insta360 now and we're gonna see how this goes. All right, y'all, so I think I got the hang of it now. It's pretty simple. It's easier like on the app. So I think I got the hang of it now on how it works and kind of like get like the whole 360 mode and to get the flames and all that. So now we're gonna try to get y'all some big flames. Yo, I just saw some of the clips of the flames, and those are huge ass flames, bro. Like, I cannot wait to post this on Instagram and all that. Like, this is definitely a W purchase. All right, y'all, so we ended up pulling up to the homie Spiffy's house. I remember him with the black S197. So I was driving, and there were some trucks behind me, so they might want to catch a lane. So first little race on the flame tune. Let's see how this shit go. But those were like some huge flames, bro. Like, I did not think my flames were that big. But there's probably gonna be some more Insta360 camera content, I guess. So we'll pick up the camera once we get over to the truck meet. We're gonna see what it's talking about. So put up to the truck meet, and nobody wanted to run, so oh well. But still, W video. Them flames is insane though. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna get these last little bit of flame because it's perfect. It's real dark outside, and then I'm gonna pick up the camera once I get to the house. Y'all, so we made it to the crib. Yo, I know those flames and the POV is about to be crazy, but I'm glad that I got the Insta360 because now I can have like a whole nother side of POV videos. And honestly, I wasn't able to do a lot of the stuff I'm doing now without you guys. So big shout out to all my supporters, all my day ones, all my A1s. This one's for y'all. But that'll be it for today's video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, bro. We're on the road to 2,500 subscribers, and we're almost there. We are almost there. All right, y'all, it's your boy 36J, and I'm out. Bow.